Have you ever noticed that some houseplants can transform their colors without any paint or filters? From vibrant greens to deep purples, pinks, reds, and bronze shades, these living beauties naturally change their appearance with light, seasons, and growth. Their ever-changing foliage brings fresh charm to any indoor space. Let's explore the best indoor plants that change their color naturally. Beginning with the plant, Coleus or Coleus scutellarioides. Coleus is one of the most colorful and eye-catching indoor plants, loved for its vibrant foliage rather than its flowers. Its leaves can display stunning combinations of green, red, pink, purple, yellow, and orange. The colors naturally become brighter in bright, indirect light, while lower light may cause the foliage to fade. With regular watering, well-draining soil, and warm temperatures, Coleus grows quickly and stays lush throughout the year. Easy to propagate from stem cuttings, this low-maintenance plant adds a bold splash of natural color and beauty to homes, offices, and indoor gardens. Croton or Codium variegatum. Croton is a stunning indoor plant celebrated for its naturally colorful foliage. As the plant grows, its leaves transform from fresh green or yellow into vibrant shades of orange, scarlet, crimson, pink, and burgundy, creating a beautiful display without any artificial enhancement. This remarkable color change becomes even more intense when the plant receives plenty of bright, indirect light. Each leaf features unique patterns and shapes, making no two leaves exactly alike. Croton thrives in warm, humid conditions with well-draining soil and regular watering. Its ever-changing foliage makes it a lively and eye-catching addition to any indoor plant collection. Prayer plant or Marantha leuconura. The prayer plant offers a fascinating display that goes far beyond its beautiful foliage. During the day, its broad, patterned leaves remain open to capture light, but as evening arrives, they slowly fold upward, giving the appearance of hands joined in prayer. This daily movement, known as nyctinasty, is a completely natural response to changing light levels. Depending on lighting conditions and new growth, the leaves may also reveal richer shades of green, deep maroon, and silvery markings. Easy to grow in warm, humid conditions, the prayer plant brings both gentle movement and ever-changing natural beauty to any indoor space. Polka dot plant or Hypoestes philostachya. The polka dot plant is a cheerful houseplant prized for its playful, speckled foliage. Its leaves naturally display vibrant shades of pink, white, or red against a rich green background, creating a striking contrast. As the plant grows, the colors can become more vivid in bright, indirect light and softer in lower light, making its appearance change throughout the year. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth and keeps the colorful foliage looking fresh. With consistent moisture, warm temperatures, and moderate humidity, this compact plant thrives indoors, adding a lively splash of natural color and personality to shelves, desks, and windowsills. Persian shield or Strobilanthes diurnus. Persian shield is an extraordinary indoor plant known for its shimmering, metallic foliage that looks almost unreal. Its leaves naturally shift between deep purple, violet, silver, and emerald green depending on the angle of light, making the plant appear to change color throughout the day. This dazzling effect is caused by the unique structure of its leaf surface, not artificial pigments. Bright, indirect light helps maintain its rich, iridescent tones, while warm temperatures and moderate humidity keep it thriving. With its glowing, jewel-like leaves, Persian shield instantly adds a dramatic and elegant touch to any indoor plant collection. Rax begonia or Begonia raxcultorum. Rax begonia is a true masterpiece of nature, admired for its extraordinary leaves rather than its flowers. Its foliage showcases an ever-changing blend of silver, burgundy, emerald green, pink, purple, and nearly black tones, often highlighted with swirling patterns and textured surfaces. As new leaves emerge and mature, their colors deepen and become more defined, giving the plant a constantly refreshed appearance. Light intensity can also influence the richness of its shades, making every season slightly different. Preferring bright, indirect light, high humidity, and evenly moist soil, Rake's begonia transforms any indoor space into a vibrant display of living art. Ruby rubber plant or Ficus elastica ruby. Unlike many colorful houseplants that keep the same appearance, the ruby rubber plant surprises you with every new leaf. Fresh growth often unfolds in soft pink and creamy white tones before gradually maturing into rich green with roseate margins. This natural transformation gives the plant a constantly changing look without losing its elegant charm. Bright, indirect light helps maintain its striking variegation, while lower light may reduce the intensity of the pink shades. With its glossy foliage, upright growth, and easy care nature, the ruby rubber plant brings a sophisticated blend of changing colors and modern style to any indoor setting. Purple passion plant or Gynura aurantiaca. The purple passion plant stands out because its beauty comes from thousands of tiny purple hairs that cover its leaves. As sunlight falls on the velvety foliage from different angles, the plant appears to shift between deep violet, royal purple, and rich green, creating a stunning color-changing effect. Young leaves usually display the brightest purple tones, while older foliage develops a greener appearance, making the plant look different as it matures. It thrives in bright, indirect light with moderate watering and well-draining soil. This unusual houseplant is perfect for anyone who loves unique textures and naturally changing colors indoors. Chinese evergreen or Aglaonema commutatum. Chinese evergreen proves that beauty can quietly evolve over time. Each newly unfurled leaf starts with soft, delicate shades before gradually revealing bold marbled patterns and deeper tones as it matures. The plant's foliage often appears brighter in well-lit rooms and develops a richer, more dramatic look as the leaves age. This gentle, natural transformation keeps the plant looking fresh throughout the year without requiring special care. Highly tolerant of indoor conditions, it grows well in bright or low indirect light with occasional watering. Its elegant, ever-evolving foliage makes it a timeless favorite for any indoor plant collection. Purple shamrock or Oxalis triangularis. Purple shamrock is a fascinating indoor plant that seems full of life. Its striking triangular leaves open wide during the day to absorb sunlight and gently fold together each evening, creating a beautiful daily display. Throughout its growth, the foliage naturally shifts between deep plum, rich purple, and burgundy, with the color becoming more vibrant in bright, indirect light. Delicate white or pale pink flowers add an elegant contrast to the dramatic leaves. Easy to maintain and compact in size, purple shamrock brings movement, changing colors, and a touch of magic to windowsills, desks, and indoor plant collections. Nerve plant or Fittonia albivenis. Nerve plant is a compact houseplant admired for its beautifully veined leaves that create a natural mosaic of color. Depending on the variety, its foliage features bright white, pink, or red veins woven across deep green leaves. As new leaves emerge, the vein colors often appear softer before becoming more vivid with maturity, giving the plant a gently changing appearance. Bright, indirect light helps maintain its colorful patterns, while high humidity keeps the foliage fresh and healthy. Perfect for terrariums, tabletops, or small spaces, the nerve plant adds delicate beauty, vibrant contrast, and year-round visual interest to any indoor garden. Syngonium neon robusta or Syngonium podophyllum. Syngonium neon robusta is cherished for its soft, rosy foliage that gently transforms as the plant grows. New leaves emerge with a delicate blush pink color, then gradually develop richer salmon, peach, and subtle green undertones as they mature. This smooth transition gives the plant a fresh, ever-changing appearance throughout the year. The arrow-shaped leaves become fuller and more elegant over time, making it a beautiful addition to any indoor space. Thriving in bright, indirect light with evenly moist soil, Neon Robusta is easy to care for and brings a warm, natural splash of changing color to homes and offices alike.